world, it's me, Harrison Marquez W as your service. Today I want to discuss the key principle of effective communication. Okay? Effective communication is crucial in all aspects of life. And there are four important principles to keep in mind.
The first principle is to know your purpose. Before communicating, it is essential to define what you want to achieve. What is your goal? What do you want your audience to think, feel, or do after listening to your work? Knowing your purpose will help you stay focused and ensure your message is effective. Then the second principle is to know your audience. Understanding who your audience is, what they need, and what they want to know is vital. This will help you to tailor your message, language, and tone to their needs, making your communication more effective. Okay, then the third principle is to know your topic. It is essential to have a deep understanding of the subject matter you're communicating about. This will help you build credibility, answer questions, and provide valuable insight to your audience. Okay, and the fourth principle is to adjust the situation. Okay, be aware of the context, culture, and environment in which you're communicating. Adjust your tone, language, and style to fit the situation, and be flexible to adapt to any changes or unexpected events. Now, remember, effective communication is a key to achieving our goals and building strong relationship. By knowing our purpose, understanding our audience, being knowledgeable about our topic, and adjusting the situation, we can become more effective communicators and achieve greater success in our personal and professional lives.